Teddy, who was actually a member of this house in the 12th Parliament, and he was a friend to many in this Parliament. So let me appreciate him for that. Mr. Speaker, the petition that has been brought by Honorable Baya is not unique. If I should go back, Mr. Speaker, I also want to appreciate the statement that is made by the majority leader on how these petitions are being handled by the Committee of Petitions. I brought over 6 petitions. Owen Baya, now being a minority leader, is very much in tandem with this because he was in the Committee of Lands. But unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, nothing has been done about these petitions. It's frustrating, it's demoralizing, and actually it makes as if you don't know what you're doing. Mr. Speaker, the number of cases of land grabbing at the coast is too immense. Honestly, what is going on right now, people move to Athi House, they get whatever papers, the next day eviction order is on the people who are sitting on that line. It is time, Mr. Speaker, that this House comes up with reasonable laws so that such people can be defended from the agony they undergo from land grabbers, Mr. Speaker. In Kilifi South alone, I think I know of 8 cases which I've already brought here. Time has come. Every human being has a right to live, every human being has a right to own land. But the cases that have been coming of late, from people who are nothing but land grabbers, are making some people to live very uncomfortable lives. Mr. Speaker, I stand and strongly support the petition by Mr. Owen Baya. Thank you.
Honorable members,